2014 manufactured home on a double lot. This is a 3-bedroom/2-bath home with a 2-year-old metal roof, and the sellers just recently installed wood flooring in the living room and a bedroom. Nestled on a nearly half-acre lot, this home includes a 24 by 24 carport pole barn, a 10 by 20 shed, a screened porch, and a large parking pad with RV hookups in the backyard. The entire yard is privacy fenced, and there is a double gate so you could pull a boat, RV, trailer, etc. inside the yard. You're very convenient to grocery stores, downtown Panama City and more. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.